Our tray cable is suitable for installations in cable trays supported by messenger wire in open air raceways, channels, conduit, and ducts. Tray cable is available in 600 volt 1 kV dual rated, shielded or non-shielded, with flame retardant, moisture, and chemical resistant jackets. Available in CPE, low smoke, zero halogen for industrial applications. When required, shielded tray can be installed in steel mills. The shield can be applied helically or longitudinally over a cable core. Shielding acts as a Faraday cage to reduce electrical noise from affecting the signals and to reduce electromagnetic radiation that may interfere with other devices. Helically applied shielding is more common for industrial applications. Service wires tray cable is also TCER rated per the National Electric Code. It is permitted to transition up to 6 feet without continuous support and exposed into free air. This allows the cable to transition from the cable tray to a motor, avoiding the use of flex conduit.